guys. Oh, mali. Hello. Hi guys, so today is Hi guys. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako ngayong araw. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang mag-vlog today kasi tagal ko nang walang vlog. So ayun nga, samahan niyo ako ngayong araw. Ngayong whole day. Ang dami pa sinasabi. Gagawang. So, samahan na muna ako mag-edit sa akin. So, ayun guys. Update ko na kayo mga ayun, mag-edit sa video. Bye-bye. Update na update. So, yun guys. Wala ko dito. Ang hirap. Basta, hindi ko alam kung saan ito papuntang vlog na ito.
Electrical sensor na. Ito na po. Para
Sige, makukulog yung tripod.
Go.
The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night that was so deep. Noel, 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 born in... They looked up and saw a star shining in the east, beyond them far, and to the earth.
Mama! Mamaya upload ko to Mama.
Don't say that I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm fine. Kinshana.
Only Christian.
Okay na kaya ito? Okay na siguro. Si Doki!
Okay na ba to? Wait lang. Ayan, okay na siguro yan.
Nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip.
Shoutout kay Doki.
Ang mga ibon na mamili ka.
Pwede ba ilayo mo sa akin to? Ayoko makita ito. Maita ulo ko.
Marela.
Huh?
Ah.
Yummy.
Di ba? Ito nga pala ginagamit ko sa lip serum.
Promotes a healthy shimmer. Nourishes dry lip.
Sarap boy! Ang sarap! Kung kailan tawag nilang ipot na kalang ilaw. Yung salamin guys is style ko lang yan para may dating naman kahit pa paano. Oh, hindi.
Go below zero and hide from the sun. I love you forever. And so come on, let's go.
No, 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 no.
Hi guys! Happy New Year!
Wala, free na tayo.
Lagay mo ate sa ref ito. Isa na lang ilabas niya. Oo. Iba rin yung isa.
Yung Graham Bar sa akin.
It's not Graham bar. It's made of Graham.
Madami.
Graham ang tawag. Kami lahat ay naka-brown. Naka-mocha.
Difference between brown and mocha mousse. While both are considered shades of brown, mocha mousse is a softer, more muted and slightly warmer brown with subtle hints of coffee and cream, whereas brown can refer to a wide range of darker, more saturated brown tones, often appearing more neutral and less rich compared to mocha mousse. Essentially, mocha mousse is a specific, trendy variation of brown with a more luxurious, slightly reddish undertone. But is mocha mousse just a fancy word for brown? Personally, I think it's a darker shade of beige, but basically yes, it's brown with a solid glug of cream mixed through it. Hence the reference is too rich and luxurious, but the lactose intolerant among us may have different associations.
Yung pula ang anak hindi. Kamukha ka pala kanina. Oo. Kakain mo na kami. Sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye pa! Bye pa!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Ate, sahin ka na muna.
The earth, it gave great light, and so